Yo, 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 what's going on? It's your host with the most, Little B, back on this channel here at Brownsville NT. I'm coming to y'all with another review. We're gonna switch it up. No shoes, no anime, technology. Ooh. Alright guys, hey, how y'all doing? Coming today with a new technology review. Yeah, so my bad on the blank. I bought some speakers. As you guys may or may not know, I am getting into music production and making music, beat making, whatever you want to call it. So let me get into this. So recently I have gone out and bought today's featured item, the BOSE Companion 2 computer speakers. Now, I have seen some reviews say that these are monsters when it comes to sound quality. I've also seen small reviews when they were saying like, oh, it kind of clips the bass sounds and all that. But we're just gonna do this quick unboxing. This is my first time having legit computer speakers for my music producing etiquette. Been going off the grain with just my laptop sounds, and I've been repeatedly told to get some speakers, so here we go. So as always, safety first when it comes to unboxing. Get your blade or knife or whatever and just cut along your seams where the tape is at. Gonna lay out the things that are in here. Do y'all like my puzzle? Pretty nice. So, empty box now. Here's everything that's up. Whoops. Oh boy. Okay. So here's everything that's come with it. Let's do. How do you open this? Oh, get something off. Bro, I am lost on how to get this. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a second. Maybe if I. This one. I don't want to be the dude that don't know how to open speakers, but I might be that dude that don't know how to open speakers. Oh, this is like this. I don't know. There has to be an easier way. There has to be like a simple way to do this. Oh. Boom. Okay, so I have a so these are sleek, to say the least. Oh, yes. Okay. So you can see here, I got left and right speakers. I have my outlet cord here. I have aux cord, I don't know, and then this one, it goes, I don't know. I'm not prepared to talk about technology like that. Ooh. But I have them in a black finish. I don't even know if you can get these BOSE speakers in any other color finish, but I got them in black. Sleek design, very compact. Seems like it'll be good when I hook them up to my laptop and can play some audio. So just off of the base look good, they feel good. And let's do a sound check. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a bit of a over the shoulder look at what I was able to do setting up these speakers. So once everything is hooked up, got my BOSE, got everything hooked up, got my MPC here, got my DAW program here, and let's do a speaker test. Nice. Alright. And let's just play a beat that I've worked on. Get me down on that.
Eventually,
Alright, y'all. I really don't have too much else to do or say about these. Sound quality is A1. That wasn't even like all the way turned up. That was probably like a quarter, maybe 3/4 of the way cranked on my volume. Yo, get ready, cause dropping them now. If you like this video, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe. I should have said that in the beginning of this video, but subscribe, please. Hit that bell, get notified whenever I drop a video. Every week from this Friday, so starting tomorrow, Beat You Heard will be available on social platforms. I'm gonna upload the track here on YouTube. Okay, maybe not this song, but you'll hear a track on YouTube tomorrow uploaded. Please support. Got any other suggestions I can do with this music thing, let me know in the comments below, and I will get to y'all when I get to y'all. It's your host with the most, Lil B. Thanks for watching. Peace.